Hey America, Mark.Kelson here today, Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2015 3402 Newmar Baystar with 14,000 miles on it. This is a great coach. I just took it in from some friends of mine and I'd love to show it to you. Come on in. It's got the world's biggest slide on it. Coming up in here, very nice, very comfortable. A lot of room with the two slides, the opposing slides, and that is literally one of the biggest slides I've ever seen. Features a U-booth that you could fit a whole family right there. One of the things I like about this though is you have the TV positioned right there, and over here they have put some theater seating in here so that you can actually sit and watch that TV straight on. Nice little comfortable area. Beautiful leather chair, a lot of room right here. If you have pets or kids or whatever, they can run around and not be at foot all the time. Coming over here, you got a nice big counter space. You're going to have dual sink stainless steel in here with that Moen faucet. This does feature a little kitchen window there so you can look out. This, we put in a stove in here. So there it is. Did not have the stove, but there is one in this one. 3 burners and the oven. And so then, because they were cooks, they had both these that worked really well. You have the convection, so you have the dual cooking areas right there. But it didn't take away from really the amount of storage and cabinetry that you had in here. So you have a huge bank of drawers right here for all your utensils and pots and pans. Storage area, nice mitered corners, just the Newmar way. They do it right. They're quality and style. Over here you have the refrigerator and the freezer. And then you have a little area back here, pantry or linen, whichever you so desire. Huge shower. Look at how big this thing is. A lot of headroom, skylight, just absolutely perfect in a motorhome. Coming back here, you're going to have the bathroom, the commode. So you got the split bath so that as somebody's in the shower, somebody can be in the bathroom taking care of business in there. Coming to the back, queen size bed, so you have the full length on this bed. The rear window for looking out over the ocean, whatever. Beautiful valances. Side windows for ventilation and also viewing. 2 wardrobes. And then the TV, 32-inch Sony. Little exit window here for safety if you need to get out in the case of an emergency. Look at all those drawers. This is a great coach. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. So up here in the cockpit, now this was a 15, so this will have a 362 horsepower V10 Ford in this coach. And everything is right up here at the touch of a button. You got cruise control right there. Set over to the left, you do have your levelers and you have your battery boost. You have your overhead fans and your generator start right there. And then you can adjust your mirrors with the heat right there also. Now again, this has 14,000 miles on it, and you do have the backup camera and the side cameras on this coach. And right here you have your entertainment center and your heat and air conditioning. You do have the automatic shade right there. There's your fans. Sitting right here, you got the little table. Coffee cup, map light. This has everything. Let's go out and see what it has to offer outside. You got this little thing here to help you down or in. Coming to the outside, you got the alloy wheels, you got the 22.5 tires. Very nice, last a lifetime. Look how far those doors go up. Storage underneath there. More storage. Yeah, this is great. This is a big chassis, so you get a lot of room. This goes up and over to the other side for those long items, skis, whatever you have, wherever you're going. You can make a lot of memories in this coach. It'd be great. Ladder getting to the top so you can take care of the maintenance on everything you got up there. You got your 5,000 pound tow receptacle right there. Beautiful little frameless windows. You have that backup camera up on top there. This has a 50 amp service. So you got all the power you need right there. And if you don't think that's enough power, you're going to get the big generator in this too. But 5,500 watt. So if you don't like the plug-in, use the generator. There's your water bay right there. You got more storage. You do have your propane tank right here. That's a huge propane tank. This does have the full body paint. You have slide toppers on this coach, side cameras. This did have the automatic awning. I didn't show you that, but it does have the fully automatic awning at the touch of a button. Loaded coach, 2015 model, 3402. If this interests you, give me a call, Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.